want you to think through. Okay, number one, we already did. So I'm just going to write down this process so you have it. Number one, clearly define what you want to manifest in the next 40 days, end of 2020. What gets you excited? What results would you be excited to manifest? Okay, again, you've already written some of that down, but we're just going to make it into a process here to go through. Clearly, I have that written down. Number two, what end scenes could I start to imagine to assume that I already have those results? Assuming I am already that person who has the results. If you want some help, go ahead and throw your ambition into the chat box there. I'm going to brainstorm and co-create some end scenes with you. Okay, just go ahead and throw those into the chat box. But what end scenes could you start seeing in your mind? Example, if I want to manifest my soulmate, my relationship, whatever it is, I'm going to start to see end scenes of us already being together. I'm going to start seeing an end scenes in my mind of us making breakfast together, if that's something I desire. That I wake up next to this person, that we go to the gym, or we do this, right? I'm going to start seeing end scenes as if I'm already there, as if I'm already in that lifestyle. If I want an extra 50 sales by the end of the year, I'm going to start to see myself having conversations with others saying, how did your year end up? I'm already kind of wrapping up for the holidays. You say, you wouldn't believe I just blew my results out of the water. I just got 50 more sales. The person's like, huh? How did that happen, right? So you would see a conversation like that that might happen as if you already have the desires in manifested. I would see that in my imagination. Now, remember, from the accelerator, we have many different end scenes, 3 really core ideas. So A, what tangible end scenes could you see? What conversations could you see? What lifestyle, movement scenes could you see? And movement could be like logging into your bank account. You know, if you're trying to manifest a dream place, sitting on the beach and hearing the waves. Okay. I want you to think through for a moment. Think of 3 end scenes in each of those categories that you could see. Edna, hopefully I'm pronouncing your name exactly right there. 40 new students by the end of the year. Perfect. So a tangible end scene. Edna, let me know, if you got a new student in today, what would you see? Do you receive an email? Do you log into your site and you'll see that? Do you see a payment notification go through? What could you do? Like, what would indicate something like that? Let me know about that one. John, helping my team generate new prospects and moving into my new ranch home. Perfect. Okay, so moving into new ranch home, let's take that into consideration. I want you to actually visualize an end scene of walking in the front door. What's the color of the door? Does it open from the right side or left side? Get pretty detailed there, John. Walk into, where's the living room? How many bathrooms do you have? What's the kitchen look like? Are the family excited? You know, is everyone running into the front door and just going bonkers because they're just so excited for the new place, right? What does that look like as well? On Al, you said, minimum of 5 new or more clients paying me $1,200 each for an online course. So say you're doing a launch here for 5 new people. You see at the end, my launch was damn successful. It was perfect. 5 new people enrolled at $1,200, and you literally see end scenes of 5 people saying, I'm in on L, here's my credit card. I'm in $1,200, I want to pay in full, here's my credit card number. What do we do next? How do I get started? I want you every night to see these people saying yes, 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 yes. By the way, if any of you are high ticket services, coaching of any sort, that is the #1 way to manifest more high ticket clients as fast as possible. See the end scene of people saying, yes, I'm in, here's my card, how do we get started? Okay. And then of course, seeing the, the payment receipt go through and all the other things like that. Okay. So great little side note for anybody who has client-based business.